Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel to do a Sumifs formula. So this formula tends to be pretty useful if you have a large data set and you're trying to come to a total based on a certain set of criteria. So in this example, we have country, product, and sales price. For the countries, we've got USA, France, Belgium, Greece, Mexico, and Canada. For the products, we've got cars, trucks, and SUVs. And the sales prices, we have a bunch of different ones listed here. So let's say you wanted to get the total sales prices or the total sales just for the country USA. This is where the SumIfs formula is going to come into play. So we'll do equals SumIfs, and the sum range is going to be the sales prices. So we'll copy that entire column and then comma. Criteria range 1 is going to be the countries. So we'll copy that column, comma. And criteria range 2 is what we want it to actually look for. In this case, it's going to be USA. So we can manually type that in by doing quote USA end quote. And the country total here is 57,000. So what this is doing is summing up all the sales prices for the country USA. Now in that formula, if we were to change USA to France, it would do the same thing for France, so on and so forth. Now let's say we wanted to get the total for a certain product. Same formula, equals SumIfs, same sum range, which is the sales price. And this time the criteria range is going to be the product. And we want to search for truck and get the total for truck. So you type in quote truck quote, and it returns the value of 133,500, which is the total sales prices for the trucks. Now there's another way to do it here. Let's say you already have the value that you're looking for or the criteria that you're looking for. You can do the SumIfs formula the same way, and instead of typing in truck or USA, you can actually just select that cell, which is what we're doing here, and it'll do the same thing for you. So as you can see, we've got $133,500 for the truck sales prices, which matches the product total. And then for the country USA, we will end up with the same total of 57,000. So it does the same thing. You can work this formula either way depending on what your data set looks like. And that's the SumIfs formula.